Ka film khasi ka bathmai ka bala ai kerteng khat saupra ka ba unong shna uloong ka dei halot ki kamrunar bat ka ba khamper na ki wegi jat film jing it kumba ju I borobor ha kisanama on supply no ya ka ni ka film ha ka shiphotere ujilio ha biju sanama hall habakran ba kilap thai khubor menta ka singi ka pratere ujilio u producer badairu u director lani unong thau ya ka ni ka film u ba keni lingdo uloong ba open wandor ya ka ni ka film lemba ka jingja ki ba jupau ha kilal pathai khubor bat ha satlak ki rensan social media uloong ba kamdon jinga dei bat ka hima khatsapra bat ka ni ka film kalong halor ka khana penyap lani crime kadai ru ka film ka ba open wandor tang na ka jingmut jing perkhat bat ka ba yo inuksa ya ki jingja ki ba manlaksni uloong ru ba on sedang pen I ka ni ka film na lo ka por khat wish tiang step 8 baje janmet san baje bat hadu 9 baje menmet ulai tho balaring dor ya ka ni ka film ha ki than mai rang bat hasinong khat saupra kumta ula rai ban akarteng no ya ka ni ka film khat saupra
su thu ba me ke jing ton kam jung ma
Bakap na mega to gulay. Yo tong san spa tingka.
Tang san spa, ya ka san snam. Melaju hang kan no media la dia ka chisni.
Mete la kat minister. Klen ka ktien.
Keberadaan hakanik industry, you have to be serious about what you're doing. You cannot just take as a hobby. Ilang hobby, maybe it starts as a hobby, but then it has to turn into a profession, which pays. Then you can be dependent. To go to that extent, kibun kaki factors. Simla bang sulong bay tango active long series. And if we don't have a support like proper theaters and proper technicians and proper, I don't know, that government policies, keeping government policies, we are not clear what is that policy entail. It has to be on a public domain to see what is that policy is all about. Because film policies in different states varies. Guwahati varies because maybe Guwahati, Assam, they give a lot of subsidies to even the theaters owners so that they can maintain the theater properly, so that can encourage the stakeholders but invest much in a hall because you have subsidy around 30 to 40%. So it's a ladangang happen shna theater lajong advocate subsidy, which means can encourage, So when we see the biggest drawback kajongi has long they bangim down theater.
Ka jingya per kalong ba shaning kasap kabun nadu ki nong ring nadu ki nong shnaya ka script nadu ki directors hadu ki artist ne logistic kasap kabun mo shilong ka jing per kalong ba nyimpat yo kata ka dong no ka kom penwandur ya ka karkhana ban ong bang idon lut ya ki bang idon kam ti tam kata henry ngathrai banya compare shani bat shabar te kalong shani gila hi tam ba kasulong no ni duna ki support le si kum ka government kan da yo ka support na government ni bon ki sponsor ki producer ki belong ba tang ki ba it film te ngathrai ni ru ngem slam jo bangin kiu sha kerdan jong haduk ka Hollywood rung adut benong ba ila ajan poi ta kerdan